What is up, Elixiers? Let's proceed with our nutrition facts label, shall we? Step 41. The daily value thing should be aligned to the right, so let's create a right class selector and use the justify content property to do it. Set the value to flex end. I shouldn't doubt myself, sometimes it does have hyphen for flex end. Step 42. Let's add new divider element after the paragraph element. Step 43. Next, we gotta create a new paragraph element and give it a text total fat 8 grams 10%. Then wrap the text total fat in one span element and the text 10% in another and give them each a class of bold. Step 44. You see that 8 grams in the center? Gotta push it to the left. So add span for total fat and 8 grams together. Step 45. Let's create another paragraph element with the text saturated fat 1 gram 5% and you gotta bold 5%. I'll just copy paste and change the text. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Step 46. The new paragraph line need to be indented, so let's give it a class set to indent. Step 47. Let's create a new indent selector and give it a margin left property set to 1 em. Notice how it created 1 em of space towards the left of saturated fat. Step 48. Now it's time to create a daily value p-class selector to target all of our paragraph elements in the daily value section. Let's give it a border bottom set to 1 pixel solid and the given hash color code. Step 49. The bottom borders under daily value and saturated fat elements do not extend the full width of the label. Hence, add no divider to the class for these two elements. Step 50. The colon pseudo element can be used to select all the elements that do not match the given CSS rule. So let's modify our daily value paragraph class selector to exclude the no divider class elements. Oopsies, don't forget to add a dot since it's a class selector. Alright, that was all for today, folks. Hope you like, share, comment on my videos. Do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any updates. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.